Assalamu alaikum. Think you know Arabs before Islam? Test your knowledge with these rapid-fire quizzes from the award-winning book The Sealed Nectar. Are you ready for an interactive quiz? Can you score 100%? Who introduced idol worship to Makkah?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Amr bin Luhai. Which idol was placed inside the Kaaba?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hubble. Where was the idol Al-Uzza located?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Valley of Nakhla. How many idols were destroyed by the Prophet ﷺ in Mecca?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
360 idols. What was the name of the freed she-camel?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sa'iba. What were the divination arrows called?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Aslam. What did Arabs believe about murder victims' souls?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wandered until avenged. Which tribe changed Hajj rituals?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Quraysh. What was a freed camel called in the pre-Islamic period?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hami. Who massacred Christians in Najran?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sianawaz. Where did Amr bin Luhai see idol worship first?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
In Syria. What was entering houses through backholes during Hajj?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Pagan innovation. What was the special female sheep called?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wasila. Who brought Judaism to Yemen?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
As'ad Abi Karb. Why did Arabs worship idols before Islam?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
For mediators with Allah. Which animal's movement was an omen?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Deer and bird. What did the Arabs dedicate to idols as votive offerings?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Crops and cattle. Who claimed knowledge from jinn?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Soothsayers. What was Arabs' original religion?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Abrahamic monotheism. What religion came from Persia?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Magianism. What did the Arabs call the stone altars for sacrifices?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nusu. Which tribe is not among the Jews?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Banu Umayyah. Which foods require saying Allah's name before eating?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
On everything. Which Christian missionary converted Najran to Christianity?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Vimeo. What did the Arabs call the she-camel let loose for free pasture for idols?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sahiba. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for daily video seerah. Quranic Arabic. Like, share, and hit the bell.